You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side, yeah.
All right, we're in Beijing, China. We were just able to get into the Olympic Stadium. The security guard didn't want to let us, but we kind of talked our way through it. Jason talked his way through it because TK and I don't speak Mandarin. But here it is. Wow, this is awesome.
Oh man,
look at this. So you guys will see this in about 258 days.
guys, you're done for the day. All these guys are just leaving.
We've managed to get inside the Olympic Stadium in Beijing, China.
Twice.
With Jason.
Hello.
Oh, I zoomed in too far. This one. TK.
Gold medal, baby. I give our effort today a gold medal.
And this is the stadium. Only in China would you be allowed to do something like this. Woo!
Yo, watch out! There's flaming. They're doing welding.
Yeah, I know.
And there's
all right.
sparks falling down.
258 days to the Olympics.
Break on through to the